Have you ever noticed how easy it is to make big plans at night? You tell yourself that tomorrow you'll wake up early, stay focused, work out, and finally get serious about your life. Then morning comes, the alarm rings, and your brain quietly says, "Not today." If that's happened to you, relax. You're not lazy and you're not failing. Your brain is simply doing what it was designed to do. Your brain doesn't exist to make you successful. It doesn't care about productivity, discipline, or long-term goals. Its main job is to keep you alive while using as little energy as possible. Thousands of years ago, this was perfect. Saving energy and avoiding discomfort helped humans survive. The problem is, your brain is still running that same ancient program. In modern life, discomfort doesn't mean danger anymore, but your brain still reacts as if it does. Waking up early feels risky. Hard work feels painful. Focus feels exhausting. Meanwhile, comfort feels safe. Your bed is warm, your phone is entertaining. Easy choices require no effort. So naturally, your brain pulls you toward comfort every single time. Your brain also lives almost entirely in the present moment. It doesn't understand future rewards. It doesn't care who you want to become months from now. It only cares about how you feel right now. If something feels good instantly, your brain wants it. If something feels uncomfortable, your brain resists it. That's why scrolling for 10 more minutes feels easy, but doing one push-up feels hard. Every easy choice gives your brain a quick dopamine hit. Scrolling, snacking, avoiding responsibility, all of it feels good immediately. Discipline works differently. Discipline asks for effort now and promises rewards later. And your brain hates waiting. It's like offering a child one candy now or two candies next week. Most of the time, the candy now wins. This is also why motivation fades so fast. Motivation is emotional and temporary. Discipline is behavioral and consistent. The moment discipline requires effort, your brain tries to protect you by pushing back. And every time you give in to comfort, your brain learns something important. It learns that avoiding effort is safe. Over time, this creates a pattern. Procrastination becomes normal, comfort becomes familiar, and average starts to feel acceptable, not exciting, not fulfilling, just familiar. And your brain loves familiar. But here's the part that changes everything. Your brain can adapt. It learns from repetition. When you repeatedly choose comfort, it strengthens comfort pathways. But when you repeatedly choose effort, even in small amounts, your brain slowly adjusts. The first workout feels painful, the next feels manageable. Eventually, it feels normal, not because the task changed, but because your brain did. Discipline isn't about forcing yourself to be stronger. It's about training your brain to see discomfort as safe. This is why extreme changes rarely work. When you try to change everything at once, your brain feels overwhelmed and shuts down. A calmer and smarter approach is to start small. One uncomfortable action a day is enough. One workout, one focused work session, one difficult task you've been avoiding. Each small action sends a quiet but powerful message to your brain. We can handle this. And with time, your brain stops resisting. Discipline becomes easier. Focus becomes natural. Effort stops feeling like a threat. Here's the irony. The life your brain wants, comfort, ease, safety, often leads to frustration and regret. And the life your brain avoids, effort, discipline, discomfort, is the one that builds confidence, freedom, and self-respect. Your brain will always choose comfort by default, but you don't have to follow every thought it gives you. You can train your brain calmly, consistently, one decision at a time. So the next time your brain tells you to stay comfortable and do it tomorrow, pause for a moment. Understand what's happening. It's not weakness, it's not failure, it's just your brain protecting energy. And once you understand that, discipline stops feeling like a fight. It becomes a skill you build, one small, intentional action at a time.